Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. A very warm welcome from me. In the previous session, as you may very well remember, we made the subcategory add section. Now we are going to deal with subcategory list and check the subcategories that we have submitted or are submitting actually. Alright, here I use the cat list over here and check the cat. Let's see what's on it. Okay, now we need to do some editings. Here it is not subcategory list. Here it would be subcategory. Here it would be subcategory as well. Alright, now let's check the page. I refresh the page. Alright, the pages is like this. Now I need to correct the query. That's right. Okay, very well. Here, as you see, the view subcat was made. When we made the view subcat brings all, we send subcat over here, as you notice it right now. Here we need to set the ring based on the subcat. Now we need to add other fields as well beside the ones which we have already put in. That's right. Name category, we call it category. We want to check the category is higher level, and here for instance it would be cat. Now it is football in the sports section or category. Now here if you check, I add another subcategory for cinema, that is I add Hollywood, for instance, cinema, Hollywood. Wonderful names, aren't they? Genius. Hollywood for cinema. And now it showed me Hollywood is a subcategory of cinema and other subcategories that we submit. That's right. They are listed like this. Now we are going to edit and delete. But we prefer to do it later on, so that when we submit a news for football or Hollywood, that is, when we want to delete or put them in a category, we need to inform the admin that this category contains some information. What do you want to do with them? That's the question which we ask the admin. For instance, this news should be sent to other categories, or all the news would be deleted on this category. That's why we are going to deal with the delete section later on, to deal with the editing and deleting. Because of its intricate detail, we are going to need whole sessions that are being dedicated to this section. We need to define what should happen to the subcategories when we delete a category. Should they be deleted as well, or kept or moved to other category?